Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Rewari. I am Joyce, your maths teacher. I hope everyone is fine, right children? Yes. Now, we have completed our 4 lessons. So today, we are going to start our new lesson. Can you tell me which is our new lesson? Yes. I'll give you one clue. Suppose I want to buy a pen. See children, I want to buy this pen. So what should I carry with me to the shop? Shall I give this sharpener to the shopkeeper to get this pen? No. Or shall I give some sweets to the shopkeeper? No. Or should I carry this to get that pen? Yes. I should carry this to buy that pen. See children, what is this? Yes, this is a note. That is, this is money. We need money to buy anything. Did you get the chapter name? Yes, our new chapter is money. See children, this is our 5th chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about Indian money and how to count money. So today, let us talk about Indian money. Do you know children, what is money? And why do we need money? Yes, we need money to buy things. Have you seen money? Yes, we have seen money, right? And we use money in the form of notes and coins, isn't it? Yes. Do you know children, every country has its own notes and coins. That is called its currency. That is, the money of a particular country is called currency. Our Indian money is called rupees and paise. We use rupees and paise in the form of notes and coins. See children, this is a note. It is made up of paper, whereas this is a coin. It is made up of metal. Now, let us recognize different notes and coins that we use in India. Because recognition is very important to do any small shopping activities.
First, let us see the coins that we use in India. 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. Next, let us see the notes that we use in India. See children, this is 1 rupee note and this is 5 rupee note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 500 rupees note, 200 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. Children, we have one more note, that is 50 rupees note. These are the notes and coins that we use in India.
I told you, Indian money is called rupees and paise. Our Indian government has introduced a symbol for denoting rupees. See children, this is the symbol we use it for denoting rupees and the letter P is used for denoting paise. Children, we will write the symbol before the amount. Let us see one example. How do you read this? Yes, this is 1 rupee. Okay. One more. Tell me children, how do you read this? Yes, this is 10 rupees. Right? We can read this as rupees 1 and this rupees 10. Right children? Then, how do you read this? 50p. What is the meaning of 50p? Yes, we know p is used for denoting paise. So we can read this 50 paise and this one rupees 10 and this rupee 1. Okay, this is the symbol used for denoting rupees. Tell me children, how can you read this? Yes, this is 100 paise. 100p means 100 paise, which is equal to 1 rupee. So we can write rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. Rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. Children, this is very important because we can use this for solving many money related problems. So you have to learn this. That is rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. To do any small shopping activities, one should understand the difference between notes and coins. Understand the use of money. Let us do one activity. Suppose I am a shopkeeper. See children, this is Mary. She is a customer. She wants to buy this ball of rupees 20. Tell me children, how much she should pay to buy this ball? Which note she should select? See, here you can see 100 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 10 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin. Which note she should select to buy this ball? Yes, she should select 20 rupees note because the cost of this ball is 20 rupees. Now, what if she is not having a 20 rupees note and she is giving a 50 rupees note to the shopkeeper? Yes, 50 is more than 20. So, the shopkeeper will return
the remaining amount, right children?
And if she has only a 10 rupee note, what will happen? So, she should add more value to get this ball because 10 is smaller than 20. Means she should give 20 rupees. So, she can select one 10 rupee note and one 10 rupee coin. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Or she can select 2 10 rupees note or 2 10 rupees coin. That is, different notes and coins have different value. So let us do one exercise to understand the values of notes and coins.
To understand the values of different notes and coins, let us do this exercise. Here we have to match the notes and coins to their value. On the left side we can see the notes and on the right side we can see the coins. So let's start from the side of notes. Here we can see a 1 rupee note. In this note we can see the number 1. So let us match this with rupees 1. That is, the value of this note is rupees 1. Here in this note we can see the number 5 and this is the note of 5 rupees. So let us match this with rupees 5. Here we can see the number 10 and also see the symbol of rupee. That is, this is rupees 10. Here we can see rupees 20. So the value of this note is rupees 20. Then the next one, rupees 50. So the value of this note is rupees 50. The last one, 100 rupees note. So let us match this note with 100 rupees. So that's about notes. Then let us move to the coins side. The first one, 5 rupee coin. So let us match this with rupees 5. Then 2 rupee coin. Then 50 paise coin. So the value of this coin is 50 paise. So let us match this with 50 paise. Then we can see a 1 rupee coin. So the value of this coin is 1 rupee. Then the last one, 10 rupees coin. So let us match this coin with rupees 10. Now we learn different notes and coins have different values. See children, some notes and coins have the same values. Let us see. We have 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee note. Both the note and coin have the same value, that is rupees 1. Another example, 5 rupees. We have 5 rupees coin and 5 rupees note. Both the note and coin have the same value. Then we have 10 rupees. 10 rupees notes and 10 rupee coin. Here the coin and the note have the same value, that is 10 rupees. That is, some notes and coins have the same value.
Children, today we have discussed about notes and coins. Our Indian money is called rupees and paise. We use rupees and paise in the form of notes and coins. Children, we have to learn counting money that we will discuss in the next class. I have attached notes of lesson and a worksheet along with this video. You have to write down the notes and do the exercise problem in your textbook. Let me conclude today's session. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.